Family members who are bored at home during the holidays and don't know what to do? Try making this incredibly delicious, spicy shrimp tail-filled bread with me. The process of making it is stress-relieving, and the result is a great sense of accomplishment. Don't hesitate when you see the shape. It might be a disaster. Not that complicated. Follow my tutorial step by step and I'll guarantee you success on your first try. Let's get started. First, make the dough. 270 g all-purpose flour, 2 grams of salt, 3 g yeast powder, 30 g butter, 95 g fresh milk. Put all ingredients into the dough mixer. Knead into a smooth dough and let it rise until doubled in size. The ingredients are on the screen. During this time, prepare the stuffing. Blanch 1 kilogram of shrimp tails, remove the shells, and set aside. Prepare the ingredients. Finely chop the celery, season the filling with 1 TBSP Korean chili paste, gochujang, 2 curry cubes, 1 spoon of chili flakes. Add white sugar. Add salt, 1 spoon of cumin and mix well. Fry the stuffing first. Liepert extra virgin olive oil. Heat the oil, add garlic and scallions and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add shrimp tails and seasonings. Stir-fry until the seasonings are completely evenly mixed. Finally, add half a bowl of water, a little soy sauce, celery, and chili. Stir-fry the celery until fragrant, then turn off the heat and let it cool. Place the rested dough on the board, divide into 6 equal pieces, and roll into balls. Then roll each dough ball into a cross shape with the thicker center. Put an appropriate amount of filling in the middle. Fold inward on all sides. Pinch the gaps on the 4 sides of the square shape tightly. Place in baking pan. Spread a layer of egg yolk on the surface of each wrapped bread. Use the blade for cleaning to create a pattern as shown in the video. If you find drawing patterns troublesome, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Look how beautiful it looks after baking. The taste speaks for itself. You should definitely try learning it at home, right?